Welcome to Pain Relief Academy. Today, we're focusing on sciatica, a common condition causing pain along the sciatic nerve, which runs from your lower back down to your legs. We'll guide you through 5 proven exercises designed for sciatica relief, all of which you can perform safely at home without any special equipment. These exercises are doctor-approved and focus on gently stretching and strengthening the muscles that can contribute to sciatic nerve compression. Our first exercise is the seated piriformis stretch, targeting the piriformis muscle, which can sometimes compress the sciatic nerve. Begin by sitting on a chair with your back straight and feet flat on the floor. Cross your affected leg over the opposite knee, resting your ankle on your thigh. Gently lean forward from your hips, keeping your back straight, until you feel a stretch in your buttocks. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Remember to breathe deeply throughout the stretch. Repeat this exercise 3 times on each side, ensuring a gentle and controlled movement. Next, we move to the knee to chest stretch, excellent for relieving lower back tension and decompressing the spine. Lie flat on your back with your legs extended. Gently pull one knee towards your chest using both hands, keeping the other leg straight on the mat. Hold this stretch for 20 seconds, feeling the gentle pull in your lower back and glut. Then, slowly release and alternate to the other leg. Repeat this sequence 3 times for each leg. This stretch helps to lengthen the spinal muscles and create space around the nerve roots. Our third exercise is the cat-cow stretch, a dynamic movement that improves spinal mobility and flexibility. Start on all 4s, hands and knees aligned. As you inhale, arch your back, letting your belly drop towards the floor and lift your head and tailbone. Then, as you exhale, round your spine towards the ceiling, tucking your chin to your chest and your tailbone under. Repeat this flowing movement 8 to 10 times. This gentle articulation of the spine helps to ease pressure on the sciatic nerve and improve circulation. Next, the standing hamstring stretch, which targets the hamstrings, muscles that can contribute to sciatic pain when tight. Place one foot forward with your heel on the floor and your toes pointing upwards. Keep your back straight and your knees slightly bent. Lean forward from your hips, not your waist, until you feel a stretch in the back of your extended leg. Hold for 20 seconds. Switch legs and repeat 3 times on each side. This stretch helps to lengthen the hamstring muscles, reducing tension that can pull on the pelvis and lower back. Finally, we have child's pose, a restorative yoga pose that gently stretches the lower back and calms the nervous system. Kneel on your mat with your big toes touching and your knees spread wide. Sit back on your heels, then extend your arms forward on the mat. Rest your forehead on the mat, allowing your torso to relax between your thighs. Hold this pose for 30 seconds, focusing on deep, calming breaths. Repeat this pose 2 to 3 times. Child's pose is excellent for releasing tension in the lower back and hips, providing relief for nerve discomfort. To maximize your relief, always move slowly and deliberately during these exercises. Never push into pain, listen to your body. Consistency is key. Aim to repeat these exercises daily for the best results. Regular practice helps maintain flexibility and strength. Stay well hydrated throughout the day, as proper hydration is vital for the health and elasticity of your spinal discs. If your pain persists or worsens, it's crucial to consult a doctor or a physical therapist for a personalized assessment and treatment plan. These 5 exercises, the seated piriformis, knee to chest, cat-cow, standing hamstring, and child's pose, offer a simple yet effective routine for managing sciatica. We hope these exercises bring you significant relief and improve your quality of life. Remember, taking care of your back is an ongoing journey. Thank you for watching Pain Relief Academy. Stay active, stay informed, and continue to care for your back for long-term health and comfort.